Can I merge two Apple IDs on one Mac?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to talk about a common question among Apple users. Can I merge two Apple IDs on one Mac? This is something many of us have wondered, especially those of us with multiple Apple devices or those who have created new Apple IDs over the years.
Can you merge two Apple IDs?
Let's get straight to the point. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, the answer is unfortunately no. Apple doesn't currently provide an option to merge two Apple IDs into one. This means you can't combine purchase history, iCloud storage, or other data from different Apple IDs.
Why can't you merge Apple IDs?
Apple IDs are tied to a lot of personal data and settings. These include your iCloud storage, App Store purchases, Apple Music library, and more. Merging them could potentially result in a loss of data or confusion over which data belongs to which ID. It's also a question of security, as Apple takes privacy and data security very seriously.
What are my alternatives?
While you can't merge Apple IDs, you do have some options. You can sign in to different Apple services with different Apple IDs. For example, you could use one ID for iCloud and another for iTunes and App Store. This lets you access content purchased from both IDs on the same device. On a Mac, you can do this by 1. Clicking on the Apple menu in the top left corner, 2. Going to System Preferences, 3. Clicking on Apple ID, 4. And then choosing the service you want to use with a different Apple ID and signing out and signing back in with the desired ID. Remember, this workaround isn't perfect and can be cumbersome if you have a lot of content tied to different IDs. To wrap it up, while it's not possible to merge two Apple IDs into one, you can use different IDs for different services on the same Mac to access all your content. While this isn't as seamless as merging IDs, it's a solution that allows you to make the most of your Apple products. We hope this video has cleared up your doubts on the topic. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Apple tips and tricks. Happy computing!